Welcome to Read Your Channel, the English Reading Rescuers Avenue of SDO Urdaneta City.
Hello, dear pupils. Welcome to Read Your Channel. This is Teacher Dexter, your reading rescuer of the day. Now, be excited as we learn a new set of sounds in the English language.
Now, let's study the sounds. Do you know what these sounds are? O, as in house. Repeat after me. Say house. The house has a beautiful garden. Other sample words with O sound are round, mouse, cloud. Again, repeat after me. Say round, mouse, cloud. Very nice. Another sound to get familiarized with is the sound of O, as in boat. Repeat after me. Say boat. The boat is found on the lake. Sample words with the sound of O are road, throat, soap. Again, repeat after me. Road, throat, soap. We move on to the next sound. That sound is A, as in apple. Say apple. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Words with A sound are alligator, Africa, alphabets. Again, repeat after me. Say alligator, Africa, alphabets. You are doing great. Very good. Moving on, we have the sound of A, as in train. Say train. The bullet train makes travel faster than the usual. Some words with the sound of A are waist, tail, snake, prey. Again, repeat after me. Waist, tail, snake, prey. You sounded so well. Congratulations! Lastly, we have the sound of WA, as in a. Say lawn. The lawn is filled with green grass. Other words with the sound of WA as a are saw, yawn, and talk. Again, repeat after me. Say saw, yawn, talk. You made it! Very good. That's how easy it is to sound out the words. Remember that for a better and more effective communication, mastery of the sounds is the key.
Great job! I hope you enjoyed this session as much as I did. Thank you for staying with me. Again, this is Teacher Dexter. See you in the next reading adventure.